car. Probably gonna knock out the hood first to get some color on there. We're also working on this. Getting rid of the rock chips in the bumper. We should have did this when we first did the car. So we already sanded it, getting it ready. And he also drove with it aired out. So sanded it up, sanded the whole bumper. And now it's pretty much smooth, rock chip free. About to get started on this one. Show you guys the color real quick. Got the hood done. Finished on the doors. First day in, knocked out majority of the car. We just gotta do the quarter panels, the roof and the trunk tomorrow. finished up on this car. About to get it ready for pictures. Thing turned out crazy. About to move it over there and take some pictures with the lights. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. We also did the gloss black accents on the mirrors, the door handles, and the roof. Hope you guys enjoyed the video with the Dodge Dart. We got a lot more content coming very soon. Tomorrow we got a wide body scat pack and a regular body scat pack dropping off at the same time. We're gonna be knocking these wraps out back to back to back, as you guys probably already seen in the previous videos. And we've been crazy busy.